run the Mustang through the car wash to test its rainworthiness. Oh, okay, this is a bit more than I thought. Sorry, Pinto. Ah. Okay, so here we go. We are gonna do the water test in the Mustang. Since it's very close to road trip worthy, it's time to see what it'll do out in the world in the rain. I've had it out in the rain once before, actually a couple times, and I know that there's a little leak somewhere up in here, and a good way to just test that is to just run it through a car wash and just kind of see what happens. So Pinto is a brave participant today to help us out. We're gonna test it out, and this will be our final check. All right, Pinto, are you ready? It's a little nerve-wracking, huh, Pinto? We're gonna go ahead and send it on through. What do you think, Pinto? How do you think it's gonna do? You weren't with me the one time in the rain. We're about to find out. So far, oh, a little bit over here. How are you doing on your side? It's getting dark in here. Oh, we got a leak right there already. Let's get our towels ready. You're okay, Vince. That window, whoa. All right, this window. Pinto, you got a leak over there. Whoa, you got a serious leak. Oh, okay, this is a bit more than I thought. Oh geez, all right, this is the one I remember. I don't remember all of these on this window soaking me over here. Pinto, what are you doing, girl? Oh, your side is leaking big time. Sorry, Pinto. Sorry, Pinto. Look at Pinto's getting hammered over here. I'm actually impressed with this one. This side's getting, oh, no, there it is. That was what I was worried about. Oh, I'm sorry, Pinto. Pinto's seat is now full of water. As you can see, that is the real big drip, both sides. Oh, look at right here. Jeez Louise. All right, they want us to get out of here. Oh, sorry, Pinto. Okay, well, that was a bit of a surprise. I didn't realize I was going to have so much side leaking. So we'll go into this empty parking lot to get us some space. All right, so let's assess the aftermath. Pinto, what'd you think? Pinto did not like that at all. You did great, girl. Her seat is full of water. Look down there, right? That's that would be a fail. The floorboard over there got it pretty good. My seat, don't mean to show you a picture of my junk, but lots of water. Gonna have to get the Minnie Mouse towel out. Not much up there on the dash. I did not anticipate so much water coming in right through the side windows. I mean, I knew the rubber up here was dry, but not that dry. So you can see things got a little wet and messy back here. My seat is mostly, yeah, I would say my seat did not fare that well. That's a bit wet. So we'll go ahead and dry this off although my butt is already soaked. Let's put this window down for Pintos. Hey, buddy. I know, being a good girl. I see a bunch of water draining out of the back. We should probably check what that looks like, what's going on here. Just noticed that. Oh yeah. Camera bag soaked, trunk filled with water. So it would appear that back window and trunk seal. I mean, it's cracked. You could actually see it. I just had hoped that it was a little bit better than that. So that's going to put a damper on any road trip ability, you know, if you want to keep it from filling with water, obviously. So it's not the end of the world. Definitely got to replace these seals. Here's a really good look at this. I have a sneaking suspicion that it's very rusty underneath that. Needs a little bit more work than I thought, but all in all, definitely think it's road trip worthy. Just means that in the rain, you got to pay attention to this stuff. So we're gonna mop up a little bit of this while we're here. It's a nice hot day here in Southern California, so this should dry up nicely without causing a ton more damage. Come on, Vince. Come on. Hop in. Exactly to plan, so gonna have to keep an eye on some of that stuff, and Pinto and I are just gonna drive around a bit to enjoy this weather and let the car dry out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Look forward to some more videos soon, and until next time, enjoy your drive. Good girl, Pinto. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. As I was editing this piece, I found myself watching this section of the video a couple of times, so I thought I'd lay this in as a bonus. This also could be an indication that I might be losing my mind a little, but for those of you who like this kind of thing or just need a few minutes to chill out, watch this next 2 minutes and 13 seconds of car wash bliss.